I wanted to say, call out your name. Something's eating at me that I just wanted to say. Tell me if I'll ever see you again. Honey, won't you tell me when? Maybe you don't know how such a starving soul can be left to wander such a lonely road away. I think I hear calling out to me, and it sounds so sweet. And maybe I was in the wrong to think that anything that I would say would change a thing. Waiting on the telephone to hear some word and tell me, will I ever know the sound of that songbird? Well, you know, I understand some things are out of our hands. No matter what anyone says, just be as honest as you can and tell. A lie is easier to tell than a truth, and it's been lost in our youth. And maybe I was in the wrong to think that anything that I would say would change a thing. And waiting on the telephone to hear some word and tell me, will I ever know the sound of that songbird?